All right, in today's video, we are looking at the Pelican 1700 case with foam in OD green. These come in three colors: OD green, black, and desert tan. This is a long case. It's used for a number of different applications, but the most popular is usually a weapon of some sort. So let's take a look at some of the features on the outside, starting with the front. So we got 4 latches. These are the double throw latches, very standard, and the standard ones for Pelican. Pretty easy to open and closed, and very secure. You know when they're locked and in place. We also have 4 holes up front here, which are for padlocks or any kind of locking system that you want to add to this. 2 of those holes have stainless steel hardware. We do sell a TSA approved lock, which is the 1506 TSA, which I'll link below, but any padlock that would fit within these in these holes would work just fine. We also have a handle. This is a rigid handle up front. It does not fold, and it's just the basic plastic, just as the regular case is, which is different than what's on the front or the top of the case, which is more of the standard type handle, which you find on all their other cases. It's got the rubber molded, so it's nice and comfortable, and it can fold down, which makes it nice for storage and stuff like that. You also have the automatic pressure valve up front, so this is so that it equalizes the pressure of the case. So if you are going to high altitudes, it will release air, but it won't let any air in. You don't have to do anything with it, it happens automatically. We also got wheels on the back side, making it very easy to carry. Nice and smooth, heavy duty wheels. And then on the back itself, all the protection in the hinge and everything up here make these cases nice and durable. I mean, these are military grade style cases that get thrown out of planes and helicopters and stuff, so they definitely can withstand a lot of abuse. All right, let's open it up and check out the inside. As you can see, this one does not go all the way back. So on the larger cases, the larger long cases like this, so the 1720 and the 1750, you'll notice that the lid actually folds all the way over. This one does not, so it stays fixed. Also, we have the O-ring, which again is a standard feature on all Pelican cases. This is what makes these cases watertight, dust tight, and all of that, and keeps it nice and protected. So you always want to make sure that this is in place and is not corroded. It is replaceable, so if you do run into any issues, you can just pull it out and buy another one online. So, in the lid, you got one solid piece of foam, and then in the bottom, you got 2 pieces of foam. Now, if you are familiar with Pelican cases and their pick and pluck foam, that's not available in these long cases. So the 1700, the 1720, and 1750 do not have pick and pluck. It comes with solid pieces of foam. Now, you can still cut this pretty easily if you get a sharp knife. So what you would want to do is just, if you're going to do both of them or just one piece, I would recommend just keeping the one at the bottom. So if you are doing a weapon like an AR or something, you keep the one at the bottom, take the one at the top, put it in your weapon, trace it out with a marker, and then use a sharp knife, cut it out, and then you'll be good to go. So you have the pad on the bottom, and then you'll have, your cutout up top. So the length of this case is 36 inches, and that's like literally end to end. So you want to make sure when you are measuring if this case is going to work, leaving a little bit of room so you have pad on each end and on the side for that matter. So figure like 34 inches or so. So if it's an AR collapsed down, you'd be able to fit that in here pretty easily. So that's it. That's the Pelican 1700 case with foam, OD green. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you want to check out more of our case videos, check out our channel. And as always, thanks for watching.